Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to compare the Realme GT Master Edition versus the Mi11X device. So which phone is the best option to buy right now? So because right now the Flipkart sales and Amazon sales got unlocked, and a lot of users actually plan to buy one of the device. And these are the comments which I'm trying to get on the Mi11X and the Realme GT Master Edition. Which phone is the best option to buy? The main reason is because right now the Realme GT is available for about 7,000 rupees instant discount you can actually get on this device. Not 6,000, 7,000. 7,000 using the prepaid transaction. There is no condition that you need to use only one card or something, not debit card, not credit card. You can use so any other banks which are eligible, but most of the banks will be eligible for this kind of 7,000 off. 7,000 off on the prepaid or on the exchange. That's a very good deal you're getting on the Realme Master Edition. Whereas the Mi11X device on the other hand, it's very difficult for this phone to get 6,000 rupees discount. Because if you want to get the Mi11X device for about 20,999, you need to do one thing. You need to pay with the EMI transaction. That is what they did mention. Few of the users who ordered the Mi11X device, they did pay using the EMI transaction. Then they got the 6,000 rupees discount. So that's another thing you should definitely remember in terms of the discounts between these both phones. But right now, regarding the price point of view, the Realme GT Master Edition is really flexible to buy from the Flipkart at this moment. That's the one thing which I can definitely say that. So first thing, let's compare all these areas. I'll try to compare between both phones, which phone is the best option in the short. That's what I'm going to exactly mention. So in the performance segments of the Snapdragon 870, it's going to be really better when you compare with the Snapdragon 778 processor. That's the one thing you should definitely understand. So performance is going to be slightly better in the Mi11X. So next thing is about the display. Display wise, the Mi11X has got the Super AMOLED display. Even the Realme also got the Super AMOLED display. But so both phones they do have the 120 Hz refresh rate and everything. But the Mi11X has got some kind of problem, which is a green tint problem, and the black color crush issue problem is going on in the Mi11X device. That's the one thing you should definitely remember before you actually buy the device. And next, camera point, both phones are having the similar kind of camera experience. Till I did not use the Realme GT Master Edition, so very soon I'm going to get the phone. So then I'll try to compare the camera comparison between both phones. So next thing about the battery backup and the charging speed. Charging speed is quite fast, which is close to 30 minutes of time in the Realme GT Master Edition. This is close to 1 hour of time. The charging speed is better, and the battery backup 4,300 mAh of battery backup and mAh battery and 4,500 mAh of battery capacity. So slightly maybe a little bit kind of better in the Mi11X device. So connectivity wise, the 5G. The Realme GT Master Edition has got the advantage of having the 5G connection. I mean more 5G bands, and fast charging is supported in the Realme GT Master Edition. So these are the two key highlight points for the Realme GT Master Edition. So rest of the points are advantages for the Mi11X device, friends, in terms of the performance wise, and in terms of the build quality. Also the Realme GT Master Edition has got the 3.5mm jack. This phone doesn't have the 3.5mm jack, so you need to remember all these things before you buy between these both phones. That's what my main point of saying here. So you should know what type of usage is yours. So if you want the high performance and high-end processor, then you can prefer the Mi11X device. If you're the average user and the normal user, go for the Realme GT Master Edition. Definitely you'll be very happy with the phone. Only high performance users, for the long lasting maybe, then you can prefer the Snapdragon 870. Even though you use this phone, if you use the custom ROMs, then you can actually survive for long amount of time. I'm gonna do very soon that video as well, so which is quite pending right nowadays. And the Realme GT Master Edition, you're getting the 8GB RAM variant for the same price as the Mi11X device is getting only 6GB RAM variant. That's another thing you should also check it. So these are the things you should know before you actually decide which phone to buy. You want to buy the Realme GT Master Edition and the Mi11X device. So my preference, if you ask me, what will I do? If I am a heavy user, I'll try to use the Mi11X device. If you cannot get the discount, if you don't have those cards, then you can go for the Realme GT Master Edition. That's another alternate option which is available. If you cannot have that kind of HDFC discounts and it's not working for you, then better to choose the Realme GT Master Edition. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. This is a quick clarity which I thought of giving you all regarding what is going on between both phones in terms of the price and everything. See you in the next video, friends. Thank you for watching, and meanwhile, signing off. Bye. And one more last thing, as a future-proof option, more 5G bands. In case if you care, Realme GT Master Edition, more 5G bands. So I forgot to mention that 5G. That's the reason I am trying to mention again. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.